Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can hide your location in profile on Likee. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on profile icon, next tap on three dots icon, after that tap on settings, next tap on privacy, then you can see the option of hide location in profile. Turn on it. So this is how you can hide location in profile on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.